YouTube, it's Luch here, coming in with our first ever YouTube video on this channel. Today's video, we're going to be having some fun with Reggie Bush and the human joystick ability. I'm looking forward to getting this YouTube journey started, so I'm going to be putting out some Madden and some MLB videos, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Remember to like, subscribe, share the video with your friends if you can. It would mean the world to me. And don't forget to drop a follow on my Twitch channel, Luch412. The link is in the description. Now let's get right into it.
Big addition.
Oh, let's go, Reggie. Break free. Reggie Bush. Look at this wiggle sticks over here. Let's go. What a play. Reggie Bush, man. Third and 6. What do we do third and 6? We got to go to Reggie Bush. Oh, Reggie. Reggie. Oh, man. Reggie Bush. Reggie Bush.
When I woke up this morning, I was feeling pretty dangerous.
Let's go crazy. Oh, Reggie, first time. Woo! Oh, damn. Oh, Reggie Bush goes crazy. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I'm really looking forward to putting out more YouTube content in the future. Please look out for more videos, and I hope you all have a great day.